Hello everybody and welcome in biological world. Now we will discuss about history of biotechnology. Now the term biotechnology was introduced by Carol Lerche in 1919. In 500 BC in China, first antibiotic moldy soybean curd is put to use for boils. Boil basically एक disease है और moldy soybean curd को use किया गया for its treatment. The next one is 100 AD. First insecticide is produced in China from powdered chrysanthemum. इंसेक्टिसाइड को प्रोड्यूस किया गया फर्स्ट टाइम चाइना में पाउडर्ड क्राइसेंथेमम से. द नेक्स्ट वन इज 1761. इंग्लिश साइंटिस्ट एडवर्ड जेनर pioneer vaccination inoculating a child with a viral smallpox vaccine. इंग्लिश साइंटिस्ट एडवर्ड जेनर जो कि pioneer समझा जाता है इन वैक्सीनेशन, उन्होंने फर्स्ट वैक्सीन को यूज़ किया वायरल स्मॉल पॉक्स की एक चाइल्ड में. Again, now come to 1870. In it, breeder cross-breed cotton, developing hundreds of varieties with superior qualities. The next, in 1870, is first experimental corn hybrid is produced in laboratory. तो cotton को cross breed किया गया in 1870 में और 100 different varieties की cotton को produce किया. 1870 में अगेन एक्सपेरिमेंटल कॉर्न हाइब्रिड को प्रोड्यूस किया गया इन लेबॉर्ट्री. इन 1911 अमेरिकन पैथोलॉजिस्ट पैटर्न रोज डिस्कवर द फर्स्ट कैंसर कॉजिंग वायरस. इन 1928 स्कॉटिश साइंटिस्ट अलेक्जेंडर फ्लेमिंग डिस्कवर पेनिसिलिन. इन 1933 हाइब्रिड कॉर्न इज कमर्शलाइज्ड जो कि 1870 में प्रोड्यूस किया. In 1942, penicillin is mass-produced in microbes for the first time. Again, in 1950 now, first synthetic antibiotic was created. In 1950, first synthetic antibiotic was created. In 1951, artificial insemination of livestock is accomplished using frozen semination. फ्रोजन सेमिनेशन के थ्रू यानी आर्टिफिशियल इंसेमिनेशन ऑफ लाइफ स्टॉक को अकम्प्लिश किया गया 1951. इन 1958 DNA इज मेड इन अ टेस्ट ट्यूब फॉर फर्स्ट टाइम. 1978 recombinant human insulin is produced for the first time. In 1979 human growth hormone is synthesized for the first time. In 1980 smallpox is globally eradicated following 20 years mass vaccination effort. In 1981 scientists at Ohio University produced first transgenic animal by transferring gene from other animal into mice. In 1982, the first recombinant DNA vaccine for livestock is developed. In 1982 again, the first biotech drug human insulin is produced in genetically modified bacteria. In 1985, genetic marker are found for kidney disease and cystic fibrosis. In 1986, first recombinant vaccine for human vaccine for hepatitis B approved. Again in 1986, interferon became the first anti-cancer drug produced through biotechnology. In 1988, first pest-resistant corn, beta corn, is produced. In 1990, first successful gene therapy is performed on a 4-year-old girl suffering from immune disorder. In 1992, FDA approved bovine somatotropin. It's a hormone BST for increased milk production in cows. In 1993, FDA approved beta seron, the first of several biotechnological products that have had a major impact on multiple sclerosis treatment. In 1994, first breast cancer gene is established. 1994, America are certified polio-free by an international commission for the certification of the polio eradication. In 1995, gene therapy, immune system modulation, and recombinantly produced antibiotics into the clinic in war against cancer. इन सब चीज़ों को अगेंस्ट कैंसर क्लिनिक में यूज़ किया गया. इन 1996 a gene associated with Parkinson disease is discovered first time. In 1997 a sheep namely Dolly in Scotland became the first animal cloned from an adult cell. In 1998 FDA approves Herceptin, a pharmacogenomic breast cancer drug for patients whose cancer overexpresses HER2 receptors in 1999, a diagnostic that allowed quick identification of bovine spongicorn encephalopathy. It is a common disease, and CJD is also a disease. In 2000, Kenya field test its biotechnological crop virus resistant sweet potato. In 2001, FDA approved Gleevec, a gene target drug for patients with chronic myeloid leukemia. In 2002, EPA approves the first transgenic rootworm resistant crops. In 2002, Bentang, an endangered species, is cloned for first time. In 2003, China granted the world's first regulatory approval of gene therapy product which delivers the p53 gene as a therapy for squamous cell head and neck cancer. In 2003, Human Genomic Project complete sequencing of human genome. In 2004, UN Food and Agriculture Organizations endorses the biotechnological crop, stating biotechnology is a complementary tool to traditional farming method. In 2004, FDA approves the first anti-angiogenic drug for cancer. In 2005, Energy Policy Act is passed and signed into law. In 2006, FDA approves the recombinant vaccine. In 2007, FDA approves H5N1 vaccine, first vaccine approved for avian flu. In 2009, global biotechnological crops average reach 330 million acres. In 2009, FDA approves the first genetically engineered animal for production of recombinant form of human antithrombin. This is all about history of biotechnology. Thanks for watching.